Hey, welcome back to another McLovin Experience, man. If you're new, like the video, subscribe, join the Discord, link in the description. Spam up McLovin Melissa in the comments. I was watching a TikTok of this song, right? It was like a little snippet. It's so funny because like the comments of it, they was talking about how trash it is, but they like it. They can't stop listening to it. So I gotta tap in, I gotta see what's going on, man. Yeah, bro, these guys got to be trolling, bro. They serious, bro. What is he doing, man? Hey, bro, hey, bro, what is he doing? Bro, I'm so weak, bro. That's something I do in the music video, bro. Bro, I don't know. I like this, bro. I like this already. My soul not even kept.
Run through the east. All fast niggas coming down here trying to sneak. Custom dunks on, nigga. F&N 5.
Bro, I promise you, bro. This is a genuine reaction right now, bro. The beat, the beat so trash, bro. It's hard. Hold up, man.
Man, put y'all ass to sleep.
Wow. I've never heard nothing like this. I've never actually heard something like, I've heard troll songs that kind of sound like this, but not a song that I would actually listen to this, bro. Let me finish the song first before I just say that. But
N57, put y'all ass to sleep. I'm a young trap nigga, so you know I keep my heat. Same freshes on my
Hold up, man. Let me get myself. Hold up, man. I'm rocking with this. No, I'm rocking with this. Like, I'm actually rocking with this. This man got this bit clapping. Hold up.
I'm a young trap nigga, so you know I keep my heat. Same freshes
Yes,
on my
sir.
dick, finna
Hey, he lit.
I got the jerky on my lap, it's gonna blow when I sneeze. Jamie G's car, and you know she went 300. Get in this car with your sack, and you know I'm dinner done.
Bro, what are they walking into? What was he just getting pat down or walk into? Well, I thought he was walking to like a wait, so he was what? Yeah, he was in a convenience store. He was getting pat down or walking to this.
Jamie G's car, and you know she went 300. Get in this car with your sack, and you
Bro, that must have been the back of the club he was performing into, or it couldn't have been it.
I got some G's in that stash, and that bitch tryna touch it. Phone ring it back to back, little bitch, and I love it. Caught a nigga in the gas station, he was with his mom. Hop out with that fat. Send him to the dock, fancy ass bitch.
But a little piano in the background, but that's crazy. He had to make this beat. Somebody like he made this beat. No way this is like a professional made beat, bro. There's no way. It's no way. But it works though.
Want some fucking problem running through this shit. Run through the east. All fast niggas coming down here trying to sneak. Custom dunks on, nigga. F&N 57, y'all watch to sleep.
Yeah.
I'm a young trap nigga, so you know I keep my heat. Same freshes on my dick, finna take them to the east. I got the jerky on my lap, it's gonna blow when I sneeze.
This is good. I gotta tap in, bro. I gotta go watch some more of his. I gotta go watch some more videos, bro. I gotta go watch some more of his. No, bro. Anyway, man, subscribe, man. Join the Discord. Link in the bio. Spam up, man. Love Melissa in the comments.
Of course, I love the llamas.
Nice and silky smooth.